Welcome to our guide on how to change your thoughts and perspective to lead a more fulfilling life. In this short video, we will walk you through 5 simple steps to help you get started on this transformative journey. Step 1. Identify negative thought patterns. The first step in changing thoughts is to identify any negative thought patterns that may be holding you back. Giving you some time to reflect your thoughts and journal any recurring negative beliefs you may have. Step 2. Challenge and replace negative thoughts. Once you have identified your negative thought patterns, it's important to challenge and replace them with more positive and empowering beliefs. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, pause and consciously replace that thought with a more uplifting one. Step 3. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting your perspective and focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Take time each day to write down 3 things you are grateful for, no matter how big or small. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positive influences, whether it be people, books, or media, can greatly impact your thoughts and perspective. Seek out sources of inspiration and motivation that align with the kind of life you want to create. Step 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are effective practices for quieting the mind and gaining clarity on your thoughts and emotions. Take a few minutes each day to sit in stillness and observe your thoughts without judgment. By following these 5 steps and consistently working on changing your thoughts and perspective, you can greatly improve the quality of your life and create a more positive and fulfilling future. Remember, change takes time and effort, so be patient and kind to yourself as you embark on this transformative journey. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share to contribute to this community.